To make evasive or misleading statement. To make evasive or misleading statement. Prevaricate. Prevaricate. A group of loyans. Pride. A group of loyans. Pride. Right or advantage available to a person. Privilege. Right or advantage available to a person. Privilege. A person working on a trial period. Probationer. A person working on a trial period. Probationer. To put off doing something especially out of habitual carelessness or laziness. To put off doing something especially out of habitual carelessness or laziness. Procrastinate. Procrastinate. The art of delaying procrastination. The art of delaying procrastination. Spending money freely and rather wastefully. Spending money freely and rather wastefully. Prodigal. Prodigal. A person, especially a young one with exceptional ability. Prodigy. A person, especially a young one with exceptional abilities. Prodigy. A high degree of skill. Proficiency. A high degree of skill. Proficiency. General view of a person's character profile. General view of a person's character profile. Recklessly extravagant or wasteful in the use of resources. Profligate. Recklessly extravagant or wasteful in the use of resources. Profligate. Working class people regarded collectively. Proletariat. Working class people regarded collectively. Proletariat. Rapid increase in the number and amount of something. Proliferation. Rapid increase in the number or amount of something. Proliferation. An introduction to a literary work. Prologue. An introduction to a literary work. Prologue. Continue for a long time. Prolonged. Continue for a long time. Prolonged. A piece of wood, metal, etc. used for supporting something or keeping it in position. Prop. A piece of wood, metal, etc. used for supporting something or keeping it in position. Prop. Information especially of a biased or misleading nature used to promote a political cause or point of view. Propaganda. Propaganda. A person sent by God to teach the people and given them message from God. Prophet. A person sent by God to teach the people and give them message from God. Prophet. The action of driving or pushing forward. Propulsion. The action of driving or pushing forwards. Propulsion. To forbid something especially by law. Proscribe. To forbid something especially by law. Proscribe. A person who has been converted into another religious or political belief. Proselyte. A person who has been converted to another religious or political belief. Proselyte. Central character in a story or play. Protagonist. Central character in a story or play. Protagonist. A system of fixed rules and formal behavior used at official meetings. A system of fixed rules and formal behavior used at official meetings. Protocol. The first design of something from which other forms are copied or developed. Prototype. Prototype. Food for farm animals. Provender. Food for farm animals. Provender. Concern for one's own area or region. Concern for one's own area or region at the expense of national or supranational unity. Provincialism. Provincialism.